Hello and welcome. This video is a cautionary tale. I came out to a service call on a 4-door Frigidaire unit that is roughly 3 to 4 years old. The user panel was dead and had no response to any inputs. So, after seeing no reaction to any inputs, I went ahead and ordered a new user panel. After receiving and installing the new user panel, I tested the unit, and the new user panel would not power up either. However, it did flicker on and off when I opened the left side fridge door. Seeing this reminded me of another video I had done about an LG 4-door fridge that ice and water dispenser would not work. And just like in that fridge, this Frigidaire had broken wires inside the door, to which we cannot get to. So to all the shoppers out there looking to buy a new fridge, be aware when buying a new 4-door Frigidaire refrigerator. Now, I'm not saying this will happen to you, but I'm just bringing you the facts. And as always, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos to come.